Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to demystify two very common but often misunderstood decorators in Python: static method and class method. If you have ever wondered when to use these instead of regular methods, you are in the right place. First, let's quickly recap regular instance methods. These are the methods you use 99% of the time. They always take self as the first parameter, which points to the specific object you are working with. You use these when you need to access or modify data unique to a specific instance, like a dog's name. Now, let's talk about the class method decorator. A class method is different because it is bound to the class itself, not an individual instance object. Instead of self, its first parameter is the class, which we conventionally name CLS. This gives the method access to class-level data, but not instance-level data. The most common use case for a class method is creating alternative constructors. For example, imagine you have a user class. You might want to create a user from a hyphenated string instead of passing arguments separately. With a class method, you can process that string and return a new instance of the class using CLS. Next up is the static method decorator. This one is interesting because it behaves just like a regular function. It does not receive self, and it does not receive CLS. It is completely self-contained. It is basically a function that sits inside your class just for organizational purposes. When should you use it? Think of utility functions. Here is an example where we need to validate an email address. This logic doesn't depend on any specific user, and it doesn't need to change the class itself. It just takes an input and returns a result, so it is a perfect candidate for a static method. Let's compare them side by side. Instance methods use self and access the object. Class methods use CLS and access the class. Static methods use neither and work independently. Memorizing this table will help you make the right choice every time. If you're still unsure, follow this simple flowchart. First, ask yourself, do I need to access self? If yes, use a regular method. If no, ask, do I need to create a new instance of the class? If yes, use a class method. If no, a static method is likely your best bet. Watch out for these common mistakes. Don't use a static method if the function has nothing to do with the class at all, just move it to the module level. Also, always remember to use the decorators, or your code will crash when you try to call these methods on an instance. To wrap up, use class methods for factories, static methods for utilities, and regular methods for everything else. Thanks for watching, and I hope this clears up the confusion between these three method types.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.